Howdy, howdy, howdy. This video is for the owners of Bedrock Foundation LLC. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm a local consultant in Fort Worth. What I'm going to show you are the key elements to ranking organically and discuss this heat map that has to do with your map listing. Okay. So when anybody is looking for a service that you provide, let's say foundation repair, they're going to do one of two things. You're going to ask somebody they know, hey, do you know a reliable foundation repair company, right? And that's how you get the word of mouth / referral. Or what they're going to do is get online. When they get online, they're going to do a search. Okay. Doesn't matter if it's on Bing, doesn't matter if it's on Google, but Google is the highest trafficked site in the country as of now. I mean, and probably still will always be. So when they do this search, they're going to get results, right? You're going to get people paying for ads. You're going to have these map listings, and then you're going to have these organic listings below. These map listings get 70% of calls. Okay? 70% of calls. 74% of those searchers are going to look at the reviews of these top 3 businesses before making a purchasing decision. All right? The organic listings below, they get 20% of the calls and the ads get 10%. So that's why Allsalon is taking up ad space, they're taking up map space, and they're taking up organic space. Like they are dominating this marketplace, right? They're getting all the calls. Now, here's your map listing. Someone is, let's just say West Dallas, and they look for foundation repair. These are going to be the top 3 that display. Okay? You will be 4th, which means you will be, they have to click on view all, which foundation repair is kind of expensive, so they might take the time to do some research on other companies, but you know, for the most part, they're calling somebody on top. They're definitely calling them first. I mean, I've had firsthand experience with all of this. Okay, so how do you even get there? Number 1, the map listing, of course, it anchors you in the town you want to rank in. Then you're going to build citations, name, address, phone number, the same information that you use to set this up. Same, has to be same all across the board, right? So when you have this information on a Facebook page, Facebook gives you a citation. When you have this information on Yelp, Yellow Pages, Foursquare, TikTok, doesn't matter, local chamber of commerce, they give you citations. The more the merrier. There's like hundreds of places to get them. You're going to build content, which is the words on your site. Must be authoritative. It needs to be relevant to searchers. So let's just look for, I really wish you had service pages. It would have been better. But see, like all these services need to be on their own page. It just makes it more relevant, more authoritative. So let's just say like drilled piers. Who ranks for this word drilled piers? Drilled piers. I'm in Fort Worth, so they're gonna show me. Type it in. So these people are ranking for drilled piers. Okay, and they're in organic listings. Now I'll tell you another key element. Most of the time, when a business is here in the organic listings, their GMB will follow, like this organic spot will pull their map listing up here. Does that make sense? Because I can knock off these map listings, you know, like kids in dodgeball, just knock them out. But when a business is here in the organics, it's a little bit harder to bump them down to page 2, right? The higher up you are up here, the harder it is to get pulled down. This is why whenever you're there, these tend to follow. Okay. So content, the words on your site, it needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant. And I love to use the Wikipedia example. Like if you type in a subject matter like driveway, crawl space, beer, Wikipedia pops up first. Because as you know, Wikipedia usually has the most authoritative and like relevant content on any subject matter. So that's why I'm saying you want to build out pages, separate pages for your services, and then just go deep into content. Like French Drains needs its own page, and you need to have a bunch of content If we just look for French drains, Wikipedia. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? So Wikipedia pops up first because they have the most authoritative and relevant content on French drains. So be like the Wikipedia. Be like the Wikipedia. And backlinks. These are votes from other sites. So let me show you an example of a backlink. Let's say this is like a home improvement site, and retaining walls, you guys want to rank for retaining walls, right? This will take you to another page. So this link would be your link or your service page link, and then it would redirect to your website or your service page, right? That's how you get a backlink. Let's just look at your backlink profile. And by the way, your site is not secure, which is not safe in the eyes of the Google, because the Google likes safe stuff. Okay, you guys got 500 backlinks. You guys got 2,000 backlinks, which is good. But I mean, in DFW, like, the competition is crazy. So remember these anchor tags. Okay, so you don't want to rank for the word here. You want to rank for the word French drains, right? You don't want to rank for the word go now. You want to rank for the word mudjacking or foundation repair or spread footings, right? That's what you want to rank for. So your SEO guy is making you guys rank for the word September 8th, 2020, or, you know, something irrelevant. Yeah, your ranking for your website is cool, but you really want to have him use anchor text of services that you provide. Okay? That's another key element that, I mean, I don't want to go too deep into all that. Yeah, so I'm gonna send a copy of your heat map in this video if you ever watch it, and I'll let you, play around with it. So if someone's looking for a foundation repair in Mesquite, they're gonna see these top 3 businesses. We're gonna get the first phone calls, right? Thanks for watching, and I hope this was pretty informative and educational. Thanks.